respected Father Principal, Sister Headmistress, the members of the teaching and non-teaching community, all the other members of the faculty, and my fellow Bosconians. I, along with my fellow speakers, wish you the best good morning ever. As to introduce, I am Mansude Maureen, the host of today's morning assembly, which is to be held by my fellow speakers from Italy.
And I'm proud of history and identity, culture, language, and religion. I shall always try to be whatever. I shall see my parents, teachers, and elders, and treat everyone with courtesy.
Good morning to one and all present during this morning assembly. Myself, Manas Gogoi, student of class 10B, standing in front of you all to deliver the importance of today's training. According to the Gregorian calendar, April 17 is the 107th day of the year and 258 days remain until the end of the year. In 1990, a gas cylinder was exploded in Kamrahai, India. About 80 people lost their lives.
So I request Ritika to come up with the news headlines of last 24 hours.
Good morning to each and everyone present here in this beautiful morning. I am Ritika from class 10A. I am here to present you the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, here are some international news. China promised 1.3 billion to get IMF bill on track, Prime Minister. Europe's Jupiter Moon's mission launched on second attempt. China denied imposing no-fly zone in seas north of Taiwan.
Every attachment that I have will finally break my heart or leave. A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Reverend Father, respected teachers, and my dear Bosconians. I am Master Dhananjay Das from class 10B, standing in front of you all to share my views on the topic attachments. Us, the human beings, always have an emotional attachment to an object, person, event, or anything that potentially we are expecting an outcome from that. This triggers an emotional response from us that always disturbs our mental and inner peace. Now, attachment from a person is sort of like being owned by their possessions instead of having control over ourselves. Now, there are only certain ways through which we can save ourselves from getting attached to something. We must conquer our emotions and ourselves to achieve enlightenment and happiness. To achieve inner peace and harmony with nature and our own nature, to enjoy life without being distracted over sadness, worry, fear, anger, for the things we can't change. But if you can, you should do so and disregard acting on the emotions you feel. We shouldn't let our soul to get attached to any other entity of this universe, because someday and somehow we have to let it go, as in this cruel world, nothing lasts forever, so if you are attached, it will ultimately hurt our soul. Lastly, before concluding my words, I would like to say that attachment is the biggest curse on humanity, as it cuts the wings of freedom of our soul. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day.
Myself, Rajakumar Gaurav from class 10B, standing over here to recite a poem and explain its meaning. As it is my composition, I would like to begin. The name of the poem is Heart Failure, and it goes like, I live as others, but not as me, living this life but never felt free. Always being compared whether he or she, always point my fault but not the good in me. People are more, supporters are less. I always wonder how to be myself. So now, let's know what the first stanza that is, I live as other, but not as me explain. The first stanza talks about the harsh reality of life. That most of the people do not live their life as they want, but they live how the other people want them to live, even though they are living.
Good morning to everyone. Today's quote for the day is, respect people's time if you want your time to be respected. Thank you. Have a great day.
First of all, I would like to congratulate our class 10 people students for conducting the assembly really well. They have done a good job.
And pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Today, me, Swastika Shah of class with my friends to host today's morning assembly.
Dear my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage, culture, language and religions. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along life's my happiness.
All in all present here. Myself, Aishwarya Vishwakarma, student of class 10B, is standing in front of you to deliver the importance of today's day in history. April 18 is the 108th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 257 days remains until the end of the year. This day is celebrated as the World Heritage Day, also known as the International Day for the Monuments and the Sites. This day is dedicated to promoting the importance of the cultural heritage. On this day, in 18 April 1612, Shah Jahan, the Emperor of the Mughal Empire, married Mumtaz. On this day, in 1906, the earthquake and the fire in San Francisco killed about 4,000 people.
Everyone present here in this morning assembly. I, Atif Ansari of class 10B, is standing in front of you all to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. South Korea, USA and Japan hold missile defense field in East. Chinese military with Putin say willing to work with Russian military to have close communication. Secondly, here are some national news. BJP feeling like House of Cards. Jairam Ramesh of ex-Karnataka CM Jagdish Shekhar joined Congress. Kashmir produced master oil worth $98 million this year, says government. Lastly, ending with some sport news. Proud father Sachin shares heartfelt tweet for son Arjun Tendulkar on IPL debate for Mumbai Indians. Sehwag's come down hard on underperforming Ryan Sprague say RR Bader could soon get kicked out. That's all for the conservation of heritage sites is a vital link to cultural, aesthetic, educational and economic legacies. All the things that make us worth doing on. Good morning to one and all present here. As my fellow anchor as well as the speaker have mentioned already, today the 18th of April is celebrated as World Heritage Day. So, I am Himanshu Mahanta from class 10B want to discuss among you about this day, about the importance of heritage sites in our day-to-day life and its nomination process. To start from the beginning. What is a heritage site? Heritage site is a sacred or preserved site which might be monumental or some special reserves. A place is declared to be heritage site by some special organizations like UNESCO or Architectural Survey of India, that is ASI. Heritage site is a legally protected site which is protected by UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, State and Cultural Organization. A place is declared to be a heritage site by its cultural, architectural as well as geographical importance, which benefits the human race in many ways. Now, how is it beneficial to the human race? First of all, the international recognition. Once a place is declared as World Heritage Site, people from all over the world come here to learn about the place, to visit the region where it is situated.
Everyone, today's call for the day is ask not what the country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. Said by John F. Kennedy. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning to everyone. First of all, I would like to appreciate and congratulate our class 10B students for the good way of conducting the assembly. It was well done, it was well prepared, and all that they did was really good and appreciating. So I acknowledge the preparation that is done with the help of class teachers and captains among the boys with 645 votes, Devraj Guyan became the winner. I request them to just come forward and stand here, Devraj Guyan. And among the girls, with 526 votes, Priya Pegu became the winner. And for the sports category, with 411 votes, Dipankar Dore became the winner. And from the girls section, with 444 votes, Sanjit Bukhan became the winner. And in the cultural category, boys, with 509 votes, Santanu Dekha became the winner. And among the girls, with 478 votes, Parikshita Gautam became the winner. And in the literary category, with 588 votes, Kamal Dore became the winner. And in the girls category, with 409 votes, Sonia Chutia became the winner.
Sisters, respected teachers, and my fellow Bosconians. I am Master Dhananjay Das, the host, with my fellow mates of class 10B, standing here to conduct today's morning assembly. Prayer, a call to God in order to purify and enlighten our soul. So, to enrich our soul with enlightenment, I would like to call our class 14 for the prayer song.
Be a channel of your peace, where there is certain, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, oh Father Lord, and where is your doubt, true faith in you, oh my.
Respect my parents, teachers, and elders, and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity around plus my happiness.
Everyone present here in this morning assembly. Today I am standing in front of you to say the importance of today's day in history. April 19th is the 109th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. There are 256 days remain until the end of the year. On this day in 1839, the Treaty of London established Belgium as a kingdom and guaranteed its neutrality. On this day in 1971, the first space station Salyut 1 was launched. On this day in 1975, India's first satellite Aryabhatta was launched in orbit. On this
Updated with knowledge every day. Now let us call Barsha Bora to informate us with the top news headlines of last 24 hours.
A very pleasant morning to each and everyone present in the morning assembly. I, Barsha Bora of class 10B, standing here to present the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Beginning with some international news. UK PM Rishi Sunak faces parliamentary problems over wife Akshata's business interest. 6.3 magnitude earthquake zones Fiji, no casualties. 85. Now, here are some sports news. Mumbai Indians beat Delhi Capitals by 7 wickets to win Women's Premier League title. IBM threatens IOC with legal action for breach of data transfer agreement.
Rajakumar Noro from class 10B standing over here to give a short speech on the topic, the fear of public speaking. So, before we talk about the fear, let's know what is public speaking. Public speaking is the basic communication skill through which one can express their feelings or share their ideas in public. So, it is a very useful skill, but most of the people don't have this skill or have the fear of public speaking. So now let's know why most of the people have the fear of public speaking and how to deal it. It is said that the fear of public speaking comes as the first and the fear of that comes as the seventh fear of a person. So from this we can assume that most of the people have the fear of public speaking, as they think that what one would say if he or she fails to speak and they never come up. So the best way to overcome this problem is by working on your fears and overcoming. Like, what if I say that I do have the fear of public speaking, but I have worked on myself and just overcome it. Basically, I have worked on three things. That is my desires of doing something, confidence that I can do anything, and faith in God and myself that helped me a lot to overcome this problem. And one
By asking questions, you can learn almost everything. Asking questions is the cornerstone in every educational process. Good morning to one and all present here. It's my immense pleasure to be here standing in front of you to share a few riddles. There is a kind of fish that can never swim. Can you guess what is that? It's a dead fish. One English word retain the same pronunciation even after you take away 4 of its 5 letters. It's Q. If I say everything I tell you is a lie, can you say, am I telling you the truth or a lie? It's a paradox. Who make it?
Ingredients that will help you to achieve success in your life. Discipline together with willpower. Without those two factors, those two ingredients in life, no one can achieve success. That is very, very clear sign. They help you to form character. They help you to achieve the target that you set. They help you to go far ahead in life. All of us have 168 hours in a week, and these two ingredients, that is discipline and willpower, will help you to make use of those hours that are given, maybe for physical fitness, maybe for mental conditioning, and maybe for academic achievements and things like that. So it is up to you children to make use of the time and to make sure that you have these two ingredients in your life as an young boy or a girl. I'm very sure if you are constantly aware about it, these are the two things I need to cultivate. One is discipline and second is willpower. And once you have those two things, I am very sure quite many of you will definitely come up in society with a high achievement and success.